Privacy galore. Check out this 3-bedroom ranch nestled beneath the towering trees. Spacious living area includes a front living room with large double windows, oversized kitchen west/painted birch cabinets or amazing renovation potential. 1.5 baths, wood flooring. Basement is a hobbyist dream or future living space. Workspace, playroom, office, massive storage. You decide. Enclosed 3-season room lined with windows overlooks your private little sanctuary amidst the pines. Inside or out, this home is the perfect place to hide away. Minutes from major routes and town center. Don't miss a great opportunity to pamper yourself in privacy.